Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve update on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve update on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of Magic Tiles 3. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Magic Tiles 3. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.